guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having an amazing day. As you read by the title, we are doing another birthday shout out. I wanted to say happy birthday to Miss Karen Ann, MUA. Her link will be down in the description box. Please do go over, tell her happy birthday. Subscribe to her channel. She's a great content creator as well as a great person all together. My last birthday shout out was to Rhonda Said. In there, I asked if anybody had a happy birthday that they would like to be shouted out. And I did get one. It is from It's Crunch Time to please shout out her daughter. She will be 19 and her name is Jamaica. They call her Meci. And I hope I get that right. So happy birthday to you too, honey. I hope both of y'all have an amazing birthday. Love you guys, and until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye guys.